Hi, Andrew here from SOCKKIT420. In this video we're going to be looking at the SOCKKIT420 LOCKKIT420. The SOCKKIT420 LOCKKIT420 comes with a safe case for housing the 2-pole tester, proving unit and locks. It comes with an SP400 proving unit, a true AC output proving unit, complete with a non-contact voltage detector proving pad. Comes with a VIP 200 2-pole tester that's good for safe isolation, phase rotation, continuity, and has a single pole feature. It then comes with 3 locks complete with prohibition tags. It has the MCB lock, the plug lock and the fuse lock.